Hi Steve, Spencer from Prime Motor Cars Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. I know you are down in Florida, we're up here in Maine, so I wanted to put together the video tour of our 2016 Mercedes-Benz Metris with 300 miles on it. Yes, that's right, 300 miles. So I wanted to start with this front end here. We'll get a close-up here just to show you the bumper. Everything's in fantastic condition. Paint looks great. No major damage or scrapes, scratches. Again, looks absolutely fantastic. Moving to all four of our wheels here, and we'll show you all four of them. They are in great shape. No curb damage, no rash. Coming along the side here, rocker panels look good. So do the doors. Moving along, again, there's our rear passenger wheel, also in great shape. Little pine needle there, but take a look at this rear bumper. We'll get a nice close-up for you there. Shows you, again, the vehicle is in great condition. We'll move along to the driver's side. Again, wheels in fantastic shape. You'll see here, no curb damage, no scrapes, bad, anything on the wheels there. Moving along to the front of the vehicle, there's our front left wheel. Let's take a look at the interior. These are your rear seats. Look like they've never even been used. They're in immaculate condition. The floor, the rails, everything is just in fantastic shape. And then moving forward to the driver and passenger seat. Again, all the trim, everything just in fantastic condition. Like you said, exactly what you expect to look like with 300 miles. A lot of great features, a lot of great technology in here. Let's hop in, take a closer look. Inside the Metris, we can take a closer look at our interior. We'll start with our steering wheel here. Screen operation on the left, volume phone operation on the right. We have our automatic lights and automatic wipers, turn indicators, all right from here. Gear selector on this side. Button on the end puts you in park. Full quick up puts you in reverse, and your backup camera comes up here. Full quick down puts you in drive. We'll take a little tour around our dealership. This is our location in Scarborough, Maine, about 10 minutes south of Portland, 90 minutes north of Boston. A lot of great features in the vehicles, things that make it a little bit special. You have your automatic start stop for your engine, eco, comfort, and manual driving modes, climate control down on the bottom. Now this does come with optional cruise control, parking sensors, and lane departure warnings. So a lot of great features, some extra technology in there does make a difference. Full parking sensors are operated and displayed right on the top of your dashboard. Blind spot monitoring on your door mirrors. A lot of great features, a lot of great technology. Take a look at the dash. It's impeccably clean. Again, happy to answer any questions you have. Give me a call. My cell phone's 207-210-4796. My email is sroe, that's SROE, @driveprime.com. Thanks for watching, Steve. Hope you enjoyed.